Hello, sixth grade. Okay, today's project is actually a really easy one. It's called the Repetitive Shape Project, okay? What you're gonna need is a white piece of paper, okay? So either sketchbook or computer paper, does not matter to me which one you use, okay? And the other thing that you're gonna need is 5 different color pencils, okay? So 5 different colors. If you don't wanna use color pencils, you can use markers. I'm fine with that. Just make sure that they're not gonna run out, okay? How you're gonna start is you're gonna pick 5 shapes. So, my first shape, I'm gonna do with my blue, and I'm just gonna, in the upper left-hand corner, I'm gonna do a circle. You don't have to do a circle. You can pick another shape, but I want them to be geometric shapes. So, I've got my circle. I'm going to do a pink one, and I'm gonna do towards the middle here, and I'm gonna make it pink. Notice it doesn't have to be perfect, but try your best to make them look nice. I'm going to do a triangle over here with my green. Notice they're pretty small at first. Okay. Let's see, what do I want to do? I'm gonna make, I should have made that one a heart, but oh well. I'm gonna make a heart down here in the corner with my navy blue. Okay. And I guess for the last one, I'm going to make a trapezoid. Remember trapezoids? Oh, okay. This is a different color than that. I got worried for a second. Trapezoids have 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles. Okay, so these are the acute angles where they're less than 90 degrees, and here's the obtuse angles where they're more than 90 degrees. All right, so now that I did my 5, I got to create basically what I want the pattern to be of colors. So I'm going to create mine to be blue, green, light pink, dark blue, dark pink. That's the way my pattern's going to go. So if this is blue, the next one's going to be green, so on and so forth. So since I already did blue for that one, I'm going to do green. Basically, you're just going to go around the same shape that you already had. Okay. Pink. And if it goes off the paper, that's okay. Let's see with the next one. Dark blue. Okay. And dark pink. Okay. Then I'm going to go to my next shape. Okay, my next shape was this one here, and it was the light pink. So I'm just going to move these over so I know that I'm in the right order still, because you want to stay in the right order. So I already did the pink. So now I'm going to start with my dark blue. This project should not take you guys any time at all. So this is going to be one of these ones where it's going to be an easy week for you. So, okay. Or at least it should be. Let's scooch this over. Okay. Notice how I'm trying to stay about the same distance away. So like these, I'm trying to keep them about the same spacing. Okay? So now I'm going to go over here. Eventually we will have the whole paper filled, so I'll wind up adding more, around the circle and around the square. You have to decide which one's going to be on top, which one's going to be on bottom, because depending, it's all right. So now this one's that mint green color. So let me just put everything in the back. All right, so it's already mint green. So now I'm gonna go with my light pink. Okay, navy blue. Dark pink. Light blue. All right. Okay, next one is our trapezoid. So, again, I'm just moving my colors around so I know I'm using the same pattern. Okay, so I already used the pink, so now I'm going to my baby blue. Okay, then mint green. Light pink. Navy blue. And we're going to make it so that the square's in front. So you see what I did there? Okay, where I had it so that that stays in front. Okay, so now the next thing to do is the last one we have over here, which is our heart. So that's in navy blue. So I'm just going to move everything over. So the first one I'm going to start with is my dark pink. Let me see. Navy blue, dark pink. Yep. All right, I just make sure I was in the right order still. All right, so dark pink for my heart. Light blue. So this is going to be one of those weird weeks where we don't really have a checkpoint. Well, we'll have a checkpoint 1, but really the only thing that's going to be different for your checkpoint 2 is the fill-ins. So this is basically going to be your checkpoint 1, okay? So see how it's got our 5 shapes, and we've got all the colors around those 5 shapes. Okay, the last part's going to be for checkpoint 2. Okay, so this is your checkpoint 1. Okay, if you guys have any questions, make sure you send me an email so that I can answer any of your questions. Okay, see you guys in class.